Hello all, this is Robert here with another Tech Geek 311 app review and demo. Being that we're now in 2015, I decided to cover a fitness app that I've been using daily. This app is called Lark. Now they've kind of changed the app a little bit. It's had a couple of updates here and there, but this is what it looks like in the App Store. This is the description basically here on the bottom, describing what it does. You go down here and you can check what the last current update was. And you can also check its version history, so you can see how long this app's been updated. Now I'll go in here and I'll go ahead and show you the screenshots. Basically, this is a fitness app that acts more of like you're talking one-on-one with text with your personal trainer or coach. So pretty much everything it's going to show you here is kind of like this little bird, this lark bird, is giving you tips and things that you can do to improve your health, improve your weight, and so forth. And so you can use your voice, if you want, instead of typing it in, or you can create different things to type in. It's up to you, or you can select whatever choices it gives you. And then of course you got here, you can see your list, or you can see the text, and you can kind of get an idea of how you're doing health-wise. Alright, so we're going to go into the app. So we're going to jump into it. Now, once I start this app, it's going to go ahead and start tracking or telling me what it's been doing so far since it's been tracking this morning. So this will give you the current update of what it's going to show you guys. So here, of course, it's asking me about how my day was. It's going to look up and see how my, like kind of a glance, how I did. On the bottom, you notice it gives me already a suggestion. So I go ahead and tap on the suggestion. It's going to move forward. Going to give me a bit less than your weekly average. Now it's going to give me a bunch of separate choices I can do. So anything specific today. Busy, nothing special, something else. So I'm going to pick nothing special. It's going to run through my data again. This is all picking up data from your phone. So it's going to pick it up from your M8 processor if you've got an iPhone 6 or 6 Plus. And then of course it says here, did you know heart disease, the leading cause of death? You can say nope, or you can say sure did. Pick your choice. And then of course it's going to ask here, maybe you also know that it's largely preventable. You can say how, or you can say yes. So I can say okay. It's not going to give me any more info on there. You can lower your risk by avoiding tobacco, eating healthy, exercising. So you might want to keep it up. You can say thanks. Just like you're actually chatting back and forth with your personal trainer. No problem, talk to you later. So then it's going to come back again if you open this up during your lunch hour, during your dinner hour, during your breakfast hour. It's going to tell you what your sleep was. And so like I said, if I open this up at dinner time, it's going to tell me, have you eaten dinner yet? It's good to eat healthy dinner, and so forth. So we're going to jump into the bottom tab on the left, go into your activity. Now, here's a list of what I've done so far. So you can go in here, let's say I tap on sleep for an example. It'll give you your sleep time, sleep hours. You can type in any tags you want. Delete it if you want, or edit it, however you want to do it. Same thing with your amount of walking, what time you walked, how long it was. You can delete it or you can edit it. And you can scroll through here, kind of get an idea of your days or your weeks and see what you've done. Click on the chart, and this will give you more of a breakdown of the chart, giving you the little moons, showing you how long you've been sleeping, giving you the little green bars to show you what you've been doing. So if I tap on any one of those, you'll see what it gives me. This gives me my whole breakdown for the day, and so forth. It gives me little color codes on the top, telling me my walking is green, running is going to be a dark blue, and sleep sort of a lightish blue. Now, if you go into the cog on the bottom right, it's going to give you your settings. So you can go in here and you can edit your profile, edit your name, your email. You want to set your goal. You want to be fitter, staying healthy, weight loss. You can also sign out. You can manage your data. How do you want your data? You want to use the iPhone motion sensor. So if you have a 6, 6 Plus, or 5S, you can use that. You can do also Human, which is another app. Use the workouts you want from Lark itself. Track the sleep from Lark, which is all tracking from your Apple's HealthKit as well. And you can enable your iPhone tracking if you have a bicycle or whatever that you want to use. Connect to Health, of course. This connects everything to your HealthKit, which comes automatically on the new iOS 8. You can add whatever you want in there. You can share with your friends, so you have your share button there. You can report a problem if you have it, give any feedback in case you have any issues with the app. You can look at their facts, privacy, and their terms of service. Alright, so I go back into Lark here. You'll notice that it's still on the same setting. It says I've already spoken to my trainer for the day. And we're going to go right back into Lark again and watch. It's going to go ahead and figure out how my afternoon's been. Since, like I said, I just now checked it before. Now it's going to look, okay, it's going to see how many minutes I've done, what I've done as far as activity. It's going to go in here, it's going to say not a little bit less than average, nothing special, why, some days are like that. Pick your answer. Need an idea, if you want an idea, so let's pick yes. Now it's going to give you some ideas. Next time you go to the bathroom, for example, it's going to say, or take a lap around the building. Give your answer. You have to get up anyway. Then you can hold and you can let it say what it is. It's going to give you later again. So, like I said, it's already given me the tracking. It's already shown me my results for the day. So no matter how many times I keep opening it, it's going to run through my activity, whatever my phone's been doing. So if I take my phone out and I go running or jogging for the night, come back, open it up, it'll give me my activity for the evening at that point. So overall, it's been a pretty good app. I've been using it for quite a while, quite some time now, and I think for the New Year's, this is something that is pretty neat to have in the App Store. It's not your typical tracker for fitness and food intake and so forth. Plus, like I said, it works with the Apple's HealthKit. So if you're kind of one of those people that's logging in your info on Apple's HealthKit, this app actually syncs with it well, and it works very well with the iPhone 6 Plus. So if you've got one of the 5S's, 6s, or 6 Plus that has the motion tracker chip in it, I kind of recommend this app to use. And it's been a very good app for me. It's been working very well. So I wanted to give you guys a little demo, show you guys more about it. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like below. Subscribe if you haven't. Give me any comments if you want. If you want to support my page, just go to my home page and hit that support button. And I will get back to you guys with some more apps, more reviews, and anything out there Apple. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.